Hello friends and family, welcome back to Life as It Is with LQ. Shout out to all my subscribers, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below. So today I'm going to be sharing a mashed kenkey recipe with you guys. The ingredient that I'll be using is banana, fanti kenkey. I'll be using some peanut butter, which is very optional if you're allergic to peanut, and I'll be using pig milk. You can use any kind of milk, condensed milk, powdered milk, whatever you like. Alright, so I have my banana, which is a half. I'm not going to be using the full banana, this is half of it, so I'm going to be using that. Put that in, and then this is my kenkey. I'm just going to be using a little bit as well. This is what it looks like, so I think I'll be using half of it as well. Okay, I'm going to just break that into my blender. Okay, and then I'll be putting in some, I'm going to be putting in some peanut butter. I love peanut butter, so I'm going to put in this much. Okay. Alright, so so far this is my banana, my peanut butter, my kenkey, and I'll be putting a little bit of the pig milk just to blend it, and then I'll be putting water. Okay. Alright, this is what it looks like. Then now I'm going to blend. Alright, so now we're ready to blend. And now your mashed kenkey is ready to be served. And this is what it looks like, guys. Depending on how thick you want it, just put less water. If you don't want it too watery, just put less water. It's so good. And some people just add coconut flakes to it, but I'm just gonna leave that out. That's optional as well. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. If you have tried this before, or you're gonna try this, or you think this is a great idea for breakfast. Alright guys, please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.